and welcome back to my channel, Shelly's Millions. I was hoping that I would have some amazing update from the EDD today, or an update on the presidential election and how that might affect stimulus, but there was nothing riveting in either of those categories. So today I want to talk about an app called Ibotta and how you can use it to get a free Thanksgiving dinner. I'm not sponsored by Ibotta. I do personally really like the app. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit more about it and how you can use it to get a free Thanksgiving dinner, even if you're paying with food stamps. So if you guys are worried about the holidays this year because your budgets are tight, definitely stick around and watch this video. This is also a limited time offer, so that's also another reason why I wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. If I could please ask you guys to take a moment and like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share the video with anyone that might find it useful. I would really appreciate it. And for your unemployment questions or just to chat, I do lives every Saturday at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can join me there and I'll do my best to answer all your unemployment questions. This video is not sponsored by Ibotta, but it is an app that I love and that I use, and I'm going to leave my referral link for you guys down below. And if you use that, I do get some bonuses for you guys using my referral link. And I really love the app, whether your goals are to increase your wealth, save money, be more frugal, or just make the holidays manageable while you're on unemployment. I think that this is a great app for that, and I'm going to tell you how to get that free Thanksgiving dinner. Basically how the app works is you download the app, and then wherever you're going to go do your shopping, you're going to launch it through the app. So like this Baby Yoda over here, they have Shop Disney as one of their partners. So first I go to Ibotta and then I launch Shop Disney, and then whatever I purchase when I'm on Shop Disney, they give me a percentage of my purchase back. And once I get to $20, I can put that in my PayPal account, which then I can transfer over to my bank account. So they have a lot of vendors that they work with, from grocery stores like Ralph's, Food for Less, Walmart, Walmart Grocers, Sephora, Nike, Home Depot, Lowe's. They just work with a lot of stores, a lot of vendors. So you just want to check and see if the place that you're interested in shopping already is somebody that they're partnered with. And if it is, you're going to want to launch Ibotta first and then go to the individual store's app after you have launched the Ibotta app. I will admit that sometimes there's the temptation to buy something that you wouldn't buy otherwise. And you do pay upfront out of pocket. But if you're going to a grocery store like your neighborhood Walmart grocer or Ralph's or Vaughn's, you can actually pay for your purchases with food stamps and still get money loaded onto your Ibotta account, which is really amazing. Outside of the Thanksgiving offer, what I normally like to do, unless I'm shopping online, like for Baby Yoda at Shop Disney, I like to actually just go to the grocery store, buy everything that I'm gonna buy. You're going to keep your receipt and then go through Ibotta and see if anything that you bought is a qualifying purchase. That way you're not buying anything that you wouldn't normally buy. After your grocery purchase, what you're going to do is you're going to look at everything you bought, and you're going to go to Ralph's, for example, and you're going to see if anything that you bought qualifies for a rebate. If it does, you're going to check the mark that you want to use that offer, and I'll have a blue check mark next to it once you've successfully loaded that offer. Then you'll just take a picture of your receipt and send that to Ibotta. And if your receipt has matching offers, then you'll get the cash back for that offer. You do want to be mindful, some offers require that you buy 2 of one item. You also need to have at least $20 in your Ibotta account to withdraw that and put it in your PayPal account, which then you can transfer to your bank account. The specific free Thanksgiving dinner offer is only available through Walmart or Walmart neighborhood grocery stores. So that's where you're going to need to redeem these offers. And before you go looking for these offers, you are going to need to download the app and link your Walmart account. Now, Walmart doesn't have really any discount programs or anything like that are free. It's not like you're Ralph's Club Card member or anything like that. So you would have a Walmart account if you have ever ordered anything like bed sheets or a lamp or groceries from them in the past. And if you don't already have a Walmart account, you just go to walmart.com and you set up an account. After you do that, you'll link your Walmart account to Ibotta. Once you do that, then you are eligible to check that you want all 9 free Thanksgiving Day dinner offers. One other thing to note is that you want to scan the item when you're in the store to make sure that it is a compatible offer for these items. You don't want to purchase something thinking that you're going to get reimbursed for it only to discover that like your turkey's not the right pounds or that the thing of green beans you got is not the right ounces. So you do want to check that while you're in the store to get the item completely free. And the items they're going to give you completely for free because they're going to reimburse you for them are a 2-liter bottle of Coke, stuffing mix, great value green beans, great value cranberry sauce, French's crispy fried onions, a butterball turkey roast or whole turkey, and that's going to be a 3-pound item, McCormick gravy packets, Idahoan mashed potatoes, Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. So those are the items that once you buy them, they'll reimburse you for the full price. But again, make sure to scan the item and make sure that it's compatible before you purchase that to make sure that you're going to get reimbursed for that item. You can't really substitute or anything with Ibotta. You have to buy the exact item in the exact quantity, in the exact ounces. So that's why I want to urge everybody to be really careful to make sure that you do get reimbursed, and you only really get to take the money out of your Ibotta account once you have $20 or more in that account. And they do have special offers if it's your first time using Ibotta, even when you use my link. I think it used to be $10, but it might be down to like $7 if you're new to Ibotta. But either way, it's money that you can accumulate and transfer back to your account. Now, for those of you who really need wine to make it through your Thanksgiving holiday dinner, there's not a completely free way to get wine. And the cheapest wine that's basically drinkable is going to be, they call it $2 Chuck from Trader Joe's. I think it's Charles Shaw. And that's going to be your best bet if you have a Trader Joe's near you. But if you don't have a Trader Joe's near you, or you don't want to go to multiple stores in the middle of a pandemic, they do have wine offers on Ibotta to get cash back on wine to make it through your holiday dinners. But be careful because some of those do require that you buy 2 bottles to get the cash back. Also, make sure that you keep your receipt after your purchase because even though you've linked your account, you may need to scan the receipt, and you may even need to scan the individual items after you've checked out from the grocery store to verify that you purchased those. So hang on to your receipt. After you've checked out from the grocery store, go ahead and hit redeem. Then you'll take a picture of your receipt. Walmart's usually really easy, and you just have to scan one barcode and it pops up with all the offers that you purchased. And after you do that, it'll load money into your account that you just transfer over to PayPal and then transfer to your bank account, and you can use however you want. Make sure that before you scan and submit your receipt that you do load any offers that you want to use to your card. I know a big one that I just recently used is the Knudsen sour cream, and you can buy, I think, up to 5 of those on one transaction and get reimbursed up to $1 for each one that you buy. So that's a pretty amazing deal on that. But you do want to download any offers before you hit redeem on your receipt. I'm also going to admit that this can take a little bit of time to look for the deals, and I don't encourage anybody to buy something that you weren't already going to buy anyway. That doesn't make financial sense. So just buy the things that you were going to buy anyway, but you can look at Ibotta in advance to see if they have offers that you're interested in. Make sure also that the offers that you're looking at are available at the store you're going to shop at. Again, this Thanksgiving Day offer is only valid at Walmart or Walmart neighborhood grocery stores. I have a lot of friends that are like, Shelly, I don't want to worry about that over 10 cents. That takes too much time, it takes too much effort, and that's fine. I get that. It's not for everyone, but I have personally saved or got back over $1,000 with the app, which is why I really like it. And I know that everybody is extra worried about their finances this holiday season, and they want to make sure that they're still able to give their families really nice, great Thanksgiving Day dinners, and this is a way that can assist you to do that. If you are one of those people, you don't love the app, but you're still struggling with wanting to give your family a great Thanksgiving Day dinner, another option is local food banks. And there's no shame in taking food from food banks. They're often at churches. You don't have to practice the religion that that church is affiliated with. You just need to go and get your food, and they often give you lots of really great supplies for Thanksgiving. So go early, find out your information on your local food bank, and have a great Thanksgiving. If you do like the app, but you don't need the free Thanksgiving dinner, I know a lot of people are using this offer and they're giving it to somebody that does need the offer, a senior citizen, or just someone that's really struggling right now. So maybe you can do the shopping for them, get reimbursed for the items, and drop them off at their house of somebody that really needs it. Again, stay safe out there. Limit your holiday gatherings this year. Let me know if you like using the Ibotta app in the comments down below. I hope to have a stimulus update or an unemployment update for you guys very soon. But I want everyone to have a great, safe, affordable holiday. Thank you guys so much for watching Shelly's Millions. I'll see you next time.